Okay, so we are going to go over our schedule for Wednesday, February 8th. So at 9 o'clock, it is our calendar time. This is where you go over the calendar companion, talk about the days of the week. You'll go over the schedule for today, so I'm kind of going over it with you now so that you can explain it to the kids. And then you'll discuss what the date is, so where February 8th is on the calendar and how to write that out. Next up, we have recess, so they'll be going outside to make sure they're dressed warm. At 10:10, they have music. From 10:45 to 11:30, they have snack and math, so they'll eat their snack first, and then they will open up their math book and complete their problems. 11:30, we're doing a reading on cheetahs, so you're going to start with the video there, and then you will use the packet that I provided. And then at 12:10, the students have lunch, and then you go to lunch as well.